Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start immediately by securing the car and removing the wheel. Do this now, not later. Once the wheel is off, expose the rear caliper and remove the 2 guide bolts. Use the correct 13 mm or 15 mm socket. While one hand steadies the caliper, the other supports it with a hanger or bungee. Do not let it dangle by the hose. Now peek at the pads and retaining clips so you know how they sit, because you'll reinstall in reverse. Once the caliper is off the bracket, pull the old pads and retainers. Keep parts oriented for reference, because correct placement prevents squeal. Next, position the old pad against the piston and compress it slowly with a C-clamp until it's fully recessed. This creates clearance for the new thicker pads. Make sure to apply high-temperature brake grease to pad edges and contact points, then slide the new pads and hardware into place, ensuring clips sit flush and anti-rattle springs engage. With pads seated, reposition the caliper over the rotor and thread the guide bolts. Tighten to the factory torque spec, do not guess. Once the wheel is back on and lug nuts are torqued in a star pattern, lower the car and pump the brake pedal until it firms. This resets piston position. Finally, perform a cautious low-speed test stop. If you hear grinding or the car pulls, stop and recheck pad seating, caliper pins, and that the parking brake isn't dragging.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.